Yeah, I know I do look good today. I have absolutely missed you all. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and I hope you all are doing great. Let's get started. There is so much to tell you guys. Intro. Firstly, for anyone who thought that I was dead, no, I am not. I am very much alive, and I know it's been very, very long. I actually lost count of the days. बहुत ज़्यादा दिन हो गए. रीजंस काफ़ी सारे हैं और बहुत ही ज़्यादा लेजिट भी है. क्यों मैं नहीं था यूट्यूब पे, क्यों वीडियो नहीं बना पाया एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो ये वीडियो में मैं बस वो बताने वाला हूँ, और इसके बाद का वीडियो में जो मैंने ऑलरेडी प्लान किया है, जो एक दो दिन में आ जाएगा, वो वापस से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे पूरा CPL का इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. दैट्स व्हाट वी गोना टॉक अबाउट. और फिर देखेंगे हाउ इट गोज फ्रॉम देयर. But stay till the end. There are some big announcements and some big things that I have been working on in this past 1.5 month. And रीज़न वही है एक्चुअली कि वीडियो क्यों नहीं आया. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Now the main reason why I didn't get time to even like shoot one video. Now there were many instances where I actually started. I thought कि यार आज कर देता हूँ, खत्म हो जाएगा. But then the DGC exams were announced. Now most of you all know that I run Aviation Academy, and we have a lot of students who were waiting for this attempt for so long. बिकॉज DGC का इसके पहले वाला अटैम्प्ट फेब में आया था, उसके बाद सब एग्जाम्स पोस्टपोन हो के फाइनली अनाउंस हुआ था. सो एवरी वन वॉज पम्प्ड अप, nervous, and of course being an instructor myself, I had to really be there, give them time, give them confidence and say that चलो ये होने ही वाला है. Fortunately all the students have the exams have gone pretty well. In fact आज ही लास्ट पेपर था 9th को. So finally I was a bit free. वो एक मेन रिलीफ होता है, that all the students their paper goes well, because finally they come to us for that one very reason, and if we are not able to give time, then what are we even doing? Now a lot of you will think कि यार ठीक है students को how long do you teach, but again trust me that when you study for DGC, especially after so long, it's there is nothing you can take for granted, because you never know. In this whole pandemic situation, you never know क्या होगा अगले महीने उसके बाद, और नेक्स्ट एग्जाम आनी तो चाहिए अगले 3 महीने में, बट आएगी नहीं आएगी. सो everyone wanted to focus, get it done. We have had doubt solving lectures till what 9:30 in the night, because the whole day was so jam packed. Like all these subjects, now we have 5 different instructors for all subjects, but still the students have so many doubts now. To put everything in that time slot makes it really really difficult. So majority of the time I was busy with that. And then the other reason that I was busy with was, okay, कैसे बताऊँ, I'm thinking, I don't know, I mean, all right. So, for anyone who doesn't know, I run a academy named Maverick Aviation, and we have been working with since the last 3 years in helping out students to clear all of their DGC exams. Now, because of the whole pandemic, since last 1.5 year, like any other school, college, university, we were also operating online. But we were getting a lot of requests from students that like asking when are you starting offline batches and so on. So for that reason, we, like me and my team, we were literally thinking कि क्या करें. We are waiting for something to come up, that helps us to go ahead with it. And इतने सारे inquiries थे कि we were not able to take all of them into our current classroom, because firstly we had to maintain COVID protocols. We couldn't just take in the maximum amount of students that we otherwise take. It would not be safe for any of us. So for that reason, we got a new classroom. Yes, we have expanded our operations, and we have recently bought a new classroom. It is currently under renovation, so you can imagine the amount of time that was being consumed in getting all of that done. in the examinations. I personally had my ATPL Met examination, so I was studying for that as well. And apart from this, taking care of the new property and everything, so it was haywire. It was literally haywire. So that was one thing that was really eating up a lot of time, or काफी worth it था वो. I mean, I know that I was not able to invest even little bit of time on your YouTube, and the channel was dead, like not pretty dead. It was really dead, and I'm sorry for that. But the new office, the new classroom, or the new whatever you call it, is gonna be crazy. I'm gonna have my own studio out there. It's an amazing place. There are gonna be sims, and there are gonna be simulators. They're gonna be crazy smart classrooms and everything. And of course you guys are gonna see all of it. It's currently under renovation, so it should be done by the end of this month. Yeah, by the end of this month. And yes, we are starting new batches at the new place from the 5th of November onwards. We'll be doing both offline and online coaching. So students who are CPL aspirants, well, you can come check us out anytime. I'll put the date on my Instagram handle. So if you're not following me on Instagram yet, check it out. All news will be out there, and trust me, it will be one of a kind center, and everyone will love it. We have always worked on providing quality, and even if we are expanding, we're going to keep our batch sizes as minimum as possible, because finally, I know that after some point, if I take in like n number of students, because I can fit in a lot in this new place, but if I do that, it's gonna hinder around with the passing percentage and so on, and that's not something that is acceptable to me or to anyone in my team. So that was the second main reason why I was off. And apart from that, I was also thinking that we need to up the content on this channel, and from here on, again, if you remember, I had told you a while back that I was planning to start lectures online on a subscription basis. Now, since we have a new classroom, it will be a smart classroom and everything. I can actually do that. I can actually stream the lectures live, or record them, and allow authorized users or subscribers who have subscribed for that particular thing to watch it online. Now, I need your feedback on how should we go about it, because finally it's for you. So it is important that it comes from you as well. And of course, I will be the one implementing it. And that's something that has been running in my mind for a while now. And with that, I'm sure that you guys will show love to this video so that the channel can start growing again. As I said, it's been dead for a while. If you can just like the video, share it with someone, or share it with any CPL aspirant who's wanting to start his career, do his ground classes, and then flying as well. Yes, we have a flying wing now as well. We have tie-ups with multiple flying clubs, and your flying requirements will also be catered by us. So we're gonna stay with you from fetching your medical to fetching your license, and then thereafter till you get into an airline. Well, that's the goal for each of you. It's always been my dream, trust me, since I graduated. Of course, I've always wanted to fly commercially, but a lot of times I wanted to change the way students, or how things are in the aviation sector. Now, I know most of you all have heard the news about. Next video में बताऊंगा. But you got a hint, right? You got a hint on what I'm going to talk about next in the next video. So better subscribe right now. I mean, if you're getting value out of this content, do subscribe. So I think with that said, unnecessarily मुझे video stretch नहीं करना है. Videos will keep coming now. We'll have a dedicated studio, and things are gonna be awesome. Okay. Again, new batch starting 5th of November. If you're someone who's looking to do your CPL, well, trust me, it's the best place to go about. See you guys in class, and see you guys soon again. Please do write in the comments how you want me to implement the online coaching scenario on YouTube. Put forward your ideas, put forward how much, what should be the subscription fees and everything, because that will help me decide whether it is feasible for me and how better I can, like, in what better way I can help you out. With that said, I think we'll stop the video here. Take care, stay safe. I'm gonna see you very, very, very soon. Probably in the next 2 days, the next video will be up and running. See you guys. Take care, stay safe. And you know that I love you all. Stay, what am I doing? Stay golden. Bye bye.